What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I've got some breaking BNGO news for you all. Bionanogenomics has just posted a press release outlining yet another important use case of their Sapphire product in the diagnostic setting. And this is something that short-read sequencing companies like Illumina and even long-read sequencing companies like PACBIO are unable to do. So let's dig a little deeper and see what they're talking about. Sapphire study is first to analyze cancer regulation at level of single DNA molecules, opens promising new avenue of cancer research. Bionanogenomics announced today the publication of a study that measured DNA methylation, the chemical modification of the DNA that controls gene regulation of the various regions regulating cancer genes on single DNA molecules. The ability to measure these relationships on single DNA molecules is something that was previously impossible. Only Sapphire can detect these long-distance connections in methylation profiles, because it's the only technology that can generate such long-range single-molecule data at high throughput and coverage. This study can be dramatic for early cancer diagnostics, where the normal and cancer cells have a very similar genetic background, but the extreme changes in enhancer methylation distinguish the cancer cells. This data may for the first time allow us to discover new biomarkers and point to novel drug targets in places of the genome where no one has looked before. So guys, this is huge for Bionanogenomics. This further strengthens my conviction of how useful the Sapphire product can be, not only in research but also in the diagnostic and clinical setting. To give you some context, the cancer diagnostic total addressable market is expected to grow to $184 billion by 2026. So if BNGO's Sapphire product can detect what other gene sequencing technologies cannot, then it stands to reason that they should be able to take a good chunk of this total addressable market. So let's take a look at BNGO's chart to see whether this press release has moved the stock at all. So as you can see here, the share price has absolutely skyrocketed based on this press release. I've started to notice a theme with BNGO. The fact that all these scientists keep on discovering new uses for the Sapphire product means that we're going to be getting a lot more in terms of positive press releases in the future. So you can expect the share price to keep climbing higher every time a new discovery is made using BNGO's technology. This is exactly what the CEO of BNGO has indicated by his statement. While Bionanogenomics is laser focused on bringing comprehensive whole genome structural variation detection to the clinic, scientists around the world are pushing the boundaries of what our single molecule analysis system Sapphire can do. Dr. Ebenstein's team has developed a novel application of a technology that contributes to solving unique scientific questions. The epigenetic regulation of cancer genes through DNA methylation of its promoters and enhancers has been difficult or impossible to study with current methods that are limited by short-read lengths. We are excited about the possibilities for discoveries of novel diagnostics and treatments for cancer that this application enables. Anyways guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to update you all on this exciting news. I hope you have an awesome trading week and I'll see you in the next one.